Grandpa's just vibing on the spin too. Deja vu. Oh, I think the tasers missed. Yeah.
He tried to
And he's out. Alright guys. We're gonna do an old person on a lawnmower. What's gonna happen here? I don't know. It's an old person. Yeah? Why do you want the cat to do a senior citizen? Doing senior citizens doing each other is not fun to watch. Oh. Anyways.
An elderly man in Ohio with warrants for his arrest is currently driving his lawnmower on the roadway. When officers attempt to pull him over, they get in the weirdest pursuit of their entire careers.
51.
Why?
We're gonna stop him. Oh, he's going around.
He doesn't give a fuck.
Do you know it's Southway?
Oh, this crazy fart. He's just rolling. Unstoppable.
Do you want to see continuing north?
Does
Yeah,
he
we're
know
at the
he can
intersection right
mow
now.
the cement? Only the
He's
grass?
going eastbound.
I don't think he knows. Police behaving,
Eastbound
huh?
on Southway. Going about
No spoilers, no
4 mile an
spoilers.
hour on the lawnmower. Toro. No license
Listen, me
plate.
rolling. They hate him. Patrolling.
4 miles an hour.
Is he gonna send in the bird? What is he doing?
He
Wait,
just waved his.
he kinda swerved there. Is he drunk too? Oh, he might be drunk as well.
He just waved his hand as
Aw.
to wave me off.
13 to 50, what do you want to do?
Yeah. What are you doing, solo person?
Hello, I'm westbound on Southway. I see him
Are they
coming.
just gonna chase him for like 20 minutes?
Maybe we'll get lucky and we'll stop.
Quick,
We're headed
somebody
towards the
use the spike
construction
traps.
Zone. No traffic. Eastbound, Southway at Denmont. 9 to 10 mile an hour.
With no license plate. Oh my god. Well, I guess you need a license plate if you're gonna use it on the road, right? Wait. Did he actually shake his head? Left and right? He actually did! Is he acting dumb on purpose? Like it's not him that's getting stopped? Oh my god, he actually is. No, dude. We want to stop you. Not anybody else. What's he gonna do here? Oh? Wildcard
He's going
move.
through a yard. He's going through.
Well, to be fair, guys, that's where the lawnmower is supposed to be. On the yard. Not the road.
2 yards northbound.
Does the police have a lawnmower unit?
Happy northbound.
He's on favorite terrain, yeah. Home ground. Oh. The road is closed. Well, whoever's yard that is gonna fuck now. Have horses. Oh. Horses do are very nice, yeah. Wait, the road's
He's
closed. You're not
continuing
supposed to be
through
there.
yards. It looks like he's gonna come out on Clark.
Oh. Okay.
Continuing north through other front yards.
No shot.
3900 block of Clark.
You know what, guys? He's an exemplary community service member. Huh? He's mowing everyone's yard for free.
Headed
Right?
towards Hazelbrook.
Are they gonna chase him with the car through the yards or what? What's gonna happen? Damn, he actually has to take the detour. He's not gonna chase through the
The
yards.
suspect is currently
No?
still in the yards to the right.
Oh,
As these officers redirect
blades are up?
themselves, another officer and former track star runner attempts to make contact.
Oh,
I know.
is he gonna in?
Crazy.
Team Mario Kart. Yeah. Ooh, I'm getting dizzy. Oh, I see something. I see something. He's hunting. He's got the lawnmower in front of him. Oh, yeah. Wait, is he got a taser or a... What's he have in the hand? Pepper spray? Oh, I think that was pepper spray. Yeah, this guy's kind of fat and old. He's not gonna go very far. That's a little white hair. A taser? Oh, yeah, it's taser now. Not even mowing. Nope. Damn. Scammed. It looked like a taser, but I guess it's a... Oh, no. It looked like pepper spray with the shaking. Guess it wasn't.
Continue west. Continue west.
West. Back to the car you go. Yep.
And he's back out on Clark, or not Clark. Headed to Hastings.
So many police resources just for this guy. Wait, did the old fart actually tank the taser on the lawnmower?
He's northbound.
Or did he not even shoot? I thought he shot.
Looks like you may have
Actually, no, I
turned
didn't hear
around.
the sound. That's right, he didn't shoot. Yeah, it seems like an old small town with a lot of old parts. Who just chills on their garage like this? Like, why not go in the yard? Why are you gonna be in the garage?
Little action in your neighborhood. He's going back east.
Oh. Yep, perfectly good lawn and backyard. Yep, and chill in the garage. Oh, he got him. Oh. Wait. I'm sorry. I gotta check this. Oh no. Grandpa's just vibing on the spin too. Deja vu. Oh, I think the taser's missed. Yeah.
He tried to
And he's out.
He's going back.
Now we're gonna catch him. Oh no no. Very elusive. Yeah?
Taser's not doing anything though.
He's got that thick coat on.
Oh yeah, because the taser missed. That's why I didn't do anything, Karen. Or Kelly.
He's out
Kelly's,
of control.
It is out of control, that's true.
Tried to run him over. Okay, we'll file charges.
The taser's
Charges.
He has that big coat on.
Yeah. We'll just file felonious assault on him. He had a thick
Assault?
jacket on, didn't even penetrate it. I lit him up, Bill lit him up. That guy's out of control.
Oh yeah, I guess the jacket's pretty
Yeah.
sick.
You see me go for a ride?
I guess that the pins don't fit in there or got you there.
Is he stopped?
It's like those old leather jackets.
Back out at Hazelbrook.
Wait,
Okay, all
one more
units,
spawn?
stop chasing. He's not gonna stop. We'll just file for warrants on him. Some crazy guy trying to run over people on a mower. Never know what you're gonna see.
Damn.
Over the course of the next day, the suspect was taken into
Another
custody for
day.
his original warrants that started this whole incident. He was then released on bond. However, due to
Whoa.
officers filing new charges on him for his actions on the lawnmower, they need to take him into custody again, which won't go smoothly.
Are we done?
Is he gonna get on the lawnmower again? Oh, they better secure it before he gets into it. There's a machine on it. Oh, unstoppable.
Supposed to be here shortly.
Oh, that's a nice popper. Oh, it's really
I
pretty.
got my friend Miss Linda picking him up.
Aw.
He was down at the sheets, so I asked her if she would go pick him up.
Yeah, this guy drinks 24/7. Doesn't surprise me. He has warrants. Doesn't
and
surprise
bring
me.
Back.
I can
So
tell.
They should be here like within
I think it's a
the
pit bull
next
too,
10
right?
minutes.
Okay.
Okay.
What does she drive?
The Mazda SUV today.
Yep.
Just
Okay.
A silver Mazda SUV.
All right. I had that report fish. I'm going to sit up here at the corner. Okay.
Wait, was it the guy or somebody
You guys
else?
tracked down his stupid mower that he was evading
Oh.
yesterday on.
Is it like the
Yeah,
dad
we
or like
have
the
his
best
mower.
friend?
Crazy Bill.
Where's the
He's a
bell?
nut.
I don't know why he does the things he does.
Well, I can explain that to you why he do it. Because he's old, he's senile, and he got a whole lot of dementia going on.
Oh.
He's got a whole lot of this, that, and the other.
He probably
going on
forgot
with
he got
his life,
arrested.
stealing his money,
Yeah.
moving to Thailand. He's just all stressed out.
Now, why would he move to Thailand? Question mark. Do you guys know? I think some of you guys do. Yeah. Because I'm being on the internet a lot. Yep. Yep.
Discombobulated.
Yeah.
That's pretty much what it is. I know that for a fact.
That's a streamer in a few years from the dementia.
The vehicle
Aw.
right there, that silver one that just turned.
Hydrate. Yeah.
Come on!
It is.
Holding traffic.
She wanted the lady boys in Thailand, huh? Or something. I don't know. Hello, Cubman 1233. How are you doing?
Come on.
Oh, damn. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Oh, lordy. Oh. Oh my god. That's gonna give Dr. Disrespect son. Oh god.
Do you have any pocket knives or anything like that on you?
I got a machine gun.
You do? Do you have any pocket knives?
It is Dr. Disrespect.
I
Yeah.
don't have my
I'm not aware.
gloves on. Just check them real quick.
Oh, Christ, I ain't got
You knew what I was thinking.
Oh, don't knock me.
No, you don't know what I was thinking. Because before I thought of Dr. Disrespect, it was something else. It's the same timeline. It goes from young, older, and super old. Right?
Come on back here, Bill.
That one.
Yep, this one right here.
We might go get
30, you
back
can
in the
log
car
on.
again.
Back
Yeah, you're going to
surgery.
jail.
Oh.
For yesterday. So what you got arrested for yesterday was for the warrants that you had already before that. And then what you're getting arrested
Oh.
for today is what you did yesterday.
Oh, come on. Driving a lawnmower.
All you had to do was stop.
Well, they charged me $600 the last time I stopped.
Well,
That is true.
now you're facing a bunch of charges.
They towed my lawnmower.
We did. You're
Not
right.
the
I
lawnmower.
had $600 need to mow the grass.
Good going.
What is there a law against driving a lawnmower?
Have a seat,
I'm
bud.
serious.
I'll put the windows down for you, okay?
Good idea.
Damn, he really
Get
is
arrested
old.
for what I did yesterday.
Yep.
I don't think he has many years left
know that. I
though.
wouldn't
The way
come
he's
home.
moving.
I
I think
probably agree
four's
with
the
that.
max.
You saw us there, that's why you
I'm
turned
trying
down
to be
this
nice
way.
here.
I said you saw us there, that's why you guys turned down this
Well, I
way.
figured you guys up to something no good.
I'd prefer not to do.
That nose is hella red too. Gramps has to be drinking a ton as well.
With the bill, to be honest with you.
It's from the alcohol, right? The red nose? From working. Oh.
All right, Bill.
Don't look so sad.
on,
Smile.
Not
Come on, I
always.
said smile.
Come on.
Oh, I can't get my foot off one of the damn seat.
What are the reasons you get red noses?
Midgets back here. Look. Where's the dog?
Right there. You don't see it?
Huh?
It's invisible.
85-year-old.
They're fucking with him.
I was born in 1940. You're bad.
Coca-Cola. It could be Santa Claus.
Imagine
Hi,
looking
Oswald.
outside and thinking you're getting free landscaping,
Medical
only to
or
realize
sunburn?
it's a
I
police
got
chase.
it, yeah.
Only in this job do you learn fast that people will use the weirdest and most unpredictable opportunities to try and get away from the police. And it's crazy because you can prep all day for the violence, felony stops, and all the tactical stuff, but nothing prepares you for a grown man deciding their getaway vehicle is a lawnmower that tops out at jogging speed. But that's the pure randomness in policing. One minute you're taking a missing persons report trying to piece together someone's last known location. The next minute you're behind a 70-something-year-old man going down the street like he's late for a barbecue. And when he doesn't stop, you realize
I do
this
feel
isn't a
bad
traffic
for
stop
him.
anymore.
He's
This
also
is
been a
pursuit.
bad
Pursuit that's
spot. He
equal
didn't
parts
seem like
comedy,
that bad of a
confusion,
person.
and I don't know.
I'm
But
gonna
remember,
be
weird
honest,
does not
guys.
mean harmless because
It's a
even
silly
in a
video
slow-motion
on
chase,
this
everything
one.
is still real. Got
Not
an
like a
elderly
bad
man
criminal,
with
you
blinds
know?
refusing to stop, steering a machine with exposed blades. Yeah, it's funny for
Actually
5
depends
seconds,
what
but
the
the
warrant
danger is
is
hiding in the
for.
punchline. And I believe these officers probably laughed later on, but in the moment, you still have
But I don't
to
have
think
that
what's he willing
information.
to do, what happens if he tips this thing over, or what happens if he drives us towards a child in the yard. But that's policing.
An old
You
man,
adapt to
a
the
living
strange without
legend.
losing
Yep.
sight of the risk.
Thank you
This
very much,
suspect was charged
Boozman.
with fleeing, eluding, reckless driving, and felony assault on a police officer. He is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
Well, I mean, it depends what the initial warrant he had before, okay? If the initial warrant was bad, I might change my my opinion, you know? But just from the video, he's a legend. A silly goose, yeah? Just a bit silly. Like Shonda in that white room, you know? When she went to Walmart. It's a bit silly. High blood pressure. Oh, that could be it too. Yeah.